Is your Spectrum app not working on your Xumo Stream Box? You're not alone. Many users experience issues like crashes, sign-in failures, or buffering. This is often due to authentication errors, weak Wi-Fi, or outdated app data. First, check your internet speed. You need at least 25 Mbps per sec. Then restart your Xumo Stream Box. A simple reboot can often resolve temporary glitches. Also, ensure your Xumo Stream Box has the latest firmware. Go to Settings and check for updates. Finally, make sure you have enough free storage, at least 10 gigabytes. If a restart doesn't resolve the issue, the next step is to reinstall the Spectrum app. First, uninstall it from the Xumo interface using the Manage Favorites option. Then restart your Xumo Stream Box to clear any residual data. Now, reinstall the Spectrum app from the Xumo App Store. After reinstalling, reset your Spectrum account password through the Spectrum website or app. Two-factor authentication is now mandatory, so have your phone ready to receive the code. Once your password is reset, sign in again on the Xumo Stream Box with your new credentials. This process addresses most authentication problems. If problems continue, contact Spectrum support for further assistance.